Chia seeds versus diabetes, a nutrient-rich superfood. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to delve into the wonderful world of the chia seed. We will be discussing the pros and the cons of eating them daily. Over the years, science has discovered that chia seeds aren't just for smearing on terracotta pots and watching them sprout anymore. They are now a tasty snack or ingredient for daily meals. Pros of eating chia seeds. Regulating blood sugar levels. Chia seeds can help stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of sudden spikes. High in fiber. They are rich in soluble and insoluble fiber, aiding digestion and slowing down the absorption of sugars. Weight management. The high fiber content helps you feel fuller for longer, potentially promoting weight loss or maintenance. Heart health. Chia seeds are heart-friendly as they can lower bad cholesterol, which is LLD, and reduce high blood pressure. Omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds are an excellent plant-based source of omega-3s, which support brain function and reduce inflammation. Bone health. They are rich in calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, contributing to healthy bones. Antioxidants. Chia seeds contain antioxidants that help protect cells from damage. Hydration. When soaked, chia seeds absorb water, helping to maintain proper hydration. Slow carb conversion. Chia seeds can slow down the conversion of carbs into sugar, aiding in blood sugar control. Gluten-free. Chia seeds are naturally gluten-free, making them a suitable option for those with gluten sensitivities. Easy to incorporate. Chia seeds have a mild flavor and can be easily added to various dishes. Balanced nutrients. They provide a good balance of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Energy boost. Chia seeds provide a sustainable source of energy. Gut health. The fiber in chia seeds supports a healthy gut microbiome. Cons of eating chia seeds. Of course, as with any dietary change, there are some considerations and potential cons. Potential allergies. Some people may be allergic to chia seeds. Gastrointestinal distress. Consuming too many chia seeds at once can cause bloating or gas. Interference with medications. Chia seeds may interact with certain medications, so consult your healthcare provider. Calorie dense. Although nutrient-rich, chia seeds are calorie-dense, so portion control is essential. Pregnancy concerns. Pregnant or breastfeeding individuals should consult their doctor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.